Okay, so what we're doing is this is live Forex. We also do stocks, but we've had a lot of interest from all of our members that want to see Forex. So we do a lot of Forex calls live. We call the plays as they're happening. So we trade a lot of the major pairs, okay, which are Great British Pound paired with the US dollar. This is the one we're looking at right now. It's GU is the short form. We also trade Euro USD, which is a short form EU. We trade the USD Canadian dollar, which is USD CAD. So those are the main currencies that we trade, and we'll trade anything, whatever we see actually. But this is the main one that we're comfortable trading, and there's a lot of pips to be made daily. So welcome to all the new guys on the call, because this is like a friend's invite call to see what we do. So I'll just go over a quick just an introduction of what it is, because it might be new to some people, and to our other members. I'm just going to go over with what a candlestick is real quick. So you have these green candlesticks, which are bullish. This is buying momentum. Buyers are in the market. And then obviously you have red candles, which are sellers, and they're called bearish candles. So a bullish candle has an open right here. This is where it opens in the period, and then it goes up here and it closes. That's the body of the candle. But you can also see that they have these things they have wicks on them. This is a wick on a candle, and this is like a tail on the bottom, and they're also called shadows. So what those are is, on a bullish candle, this wick that came up here, it was the high of that period. That's the high. So this candle actually came all the way up here, but there was sellers up there that pushed it down, and it closed right here. And it pushed it down, and here it was a low of that period, and it came right back up and it closed right here. Okay, so that's what a candle is. And you can trade candles on any time frame, whatever you're comfortable with. So we regularly trade and scalp on 5-minute candles. So each one of these candles is 5 minutes.
Rachel for Uber Eats.
Okay, guys, I might have to mute everybody if there's this background noise. I don't like to do that, because I like everyone to be interactive, but just please mute your screens, okay?
Thank you.
Okay, guys. And if you guys have questions, please ask questions and we'll answer them as we go forward. So this is our main chart where you see all these price bars. This is real-time price action, okay? You can see the price right here. So right now the price is 129,605, okay? And you can see it going up and down, 602, and you can see the candle going up and down. This is our main chart. There's main chart indicators. We'll get into that as well. And then this is your sub chart down here, and you can have sub chart indicators too. So since this is our first call with a lot of new people, we're not going to make it too complicated. We're going to keep everything simple. We're going to keep it, we trade kind of like with the basics. That's why a lot of our members are successful right away on their first call. They're already making profits, okay? So here we go. We're going to get into some real trading right now. So when we trade, we like to take a look at the daily candles. Okay, so you can come up here. This is where it says 5 minutes. This is our candle time frames. Come here and you click on 1 day. Okay, so each one of these candles that you see is an entire day of trading. An entire day from open to close. So you can see that there was a downtrend here. You can see that the British pound was weak and the US dollar was strong. And you see that it dropped. Then it found a bottom down here. So it found support. Support is where the buyers come into the market and they're buying at a discounted price. So you can see that the price started going up. 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, it went up. And this is where we are today. This red candle, this is called a doji candle, okay? And this is where we are right now. So you can see what we teach our members, this is a push play to the downside. And then there was a little consolidation here. And then this is a push to the upside. And now we can see that it's kind of trading sideways. So this might be forming a flag within the week, and then we're going to see if it's next move next week, because today is Friday. The market closes today at 6 p.m. and opens Sunday night. We're going to see if we have a push again to the upside next week, or if it's going to consolidate here and next week, or it will continue to go down. Okay, so this is what we like to do when we're trading, to know the overall direction of the market. So these are daily candles. And then when we start to get into intraday trading, we'll move down to now our 1 hour candles to see right now the trend. So each one of these candles represents the last hour, 1 hour of trading. So this is the 9 a.m. Eastern time candle. You can see that we have 22 minutes left on it because the time is 9:37 right now. At 10 a.m., this candle will close. And you can see it's very bearish. You can see it's coming down, okay? And it started coming down over here. So right here, you had your push. This is exhaustion, cool off, and then here's your downtrend. So our stock sniper trading, our secret recipe, what we have to make money and to make money fast, is called the trap and gap strategy. So what we do is when we find consolidation, we trap these candles and we wait patiently for either a break up to the upside where we get into a buy, or there'll be further consolidation where it just trades in that trend. You can scalp that if you want, or you can remain patient and you can wait for if it breaks down to the downside. But these are 1 hour candles. This is just giving us an overall direction of the market right now. But when we get into trading, we come to our 5-minute candles. So this is real fast trading. Each candle represents 5 minutes, okay? So you can see right here, last 5 minutes when we started this call, we're in a bearish candle, okay? And you can see that this is what a trap is, okay? So I'll show you right here. See these candles that we're trading sideways right here? And we'll explain to you what a support and resistance are too. And if you sign up with Stock Sniper Trading, we have weekly tutorials where we go over every single candlestick, what they are, the different shapes, sizes, where they open, where they close, what the shadows are, what wicks are, their rejections. We go over support and resistance, how to set these lines, what patterns to look for, and then also we break down every single one of your indicators to help you with trading as well. So there's a lot of technicals that go into this, and we simplify it for you guys.
Yeah, guys, like there's a lot of other programs out there, like there is for sure, but you're gonna get a lot of noise. Okay, we dumb it down to what we have like kind of accrued over the like few years that we've been trading, and what's been working for us. And obviously the returns that you'll see, that you'll get in terms of hearing your friends and you guys wanting to join, like it's very knowledgeable. And like I said, we cut it out, so you'll spend a lot of time trying to figure out what works for you, where this one is, it's proven, and the guys on the calls, obviously they've told you about it, so you know it's a good.
Okay, so we'll go from there. So we'll get into some trading right now. So you can see that up here, it was boxed in here. Okay, so you can see that it was kind of just trading sideways until we had this green candle. You see how it broke out of this blue line, this resistance line? Okay, so here was that consolidation. See these candles kind of just trading in here? You can trade these if you want, but the better play is just to wait and see. Once they break out of the box, they're gonna gap up, or if they break below this support line, it's gonna drop, okay? So even if you get into this buy where it's breaking right here, this is a nice bullish candle because it was at 29.83 and it went up to 29.89. So that is 6 pips. That is a very nice candle for scalping. 6 pips, anything 3 plus or 5 pips for a scalp is amazing, because if we put it into dollar value, 6 pips, if you're trading a standard lot, which is 1.0, that would be $10 a pip. So multiply it by 6 pips on this 5-minute candle, that's $60 US that you could make in 5 minutes, okay? And then if you understand when it gets up here and then you see what a bearish engulfed candle is, what we teach as well, you see that this candle came down and it completely engulfed this candle because there was a lot of resistance up here, and these are sellers pushing the price down. So they completely took out all of these buyers on this candle. So if you're scalping and you're in profits, you might want to look to take profit. So if you make 60 bucks right there, you could easily pocket that money Identify what a bearish engulfed candle is here, and it's at a point of resistance and it's coming down. All you simply do is hit your sell button, and this one came down exactly at 129.91, came all the way down here to 80. This was like a 10 pip candle, 5 minutes on the way down. So again, do your math. Standard lot 1.0, $10 a pip times 10, there's $100. So you can clearly see how much money you can make scalping. This candle was 60 bucks. There was $100. These two candles right here in 10 minutes, you can make 160 US dollars. That's a whole day's wage working a 9-to-5 job for most people right there.